What's up everybody, this is Omar Ali from MK Digital Solution. Welcome back to 10 Minutes Tuesday. And today we'll be going through on how to make a logo of a sketch face with Photoshop. We'll be using Photoshop CC. You know what I like about this software is it has huge amount of resources and tools that are inbuilt. And don't worry if you don't know how to use this software, we will go through together step by step in this project. So hold on, within 10 minutes time, trust me, you will understand how to do it. So without going around the bush, let's dive in. If you have any photo that is yours or just any, mine here is saved in my desktop. Just right click and open with Adobe Photoshop. This might take a couple of seconds, but it eventually opens. The first thing we need to do is grab our quick selection tool by either pressing W or by just clicking here. There are several options, but in this video we will go for object selection tool. Select the necessary area and wait for a while. Just press on the keyboard Ctrl J for those who are using Windows and Command J for Mac users. Toggle off this eye icon in this layer. Now the picture is on a transparent background, but I still need to remove some parts of the body like the t-shirts and leave the neck and the face. Grab quick selection tool, increase the size by pressing the brackets key on the keyboard, select the necessary area and you are through. Press Ctrl J, toggle off the eye icon in this layer. As you can see, it is a bit slanted, so we need to adjust the rotation. Press Ctrl T on your keyboard. You need to tilt a little bit, then press enter on your keyboard. Now the real work begins. Go to the image option and under adjustment click on threshold. This does a little bit of magic, but what it does is it changes the skin color to become white and the hair remains black. When you see the outlines of the face can be clearly seen, press OK. We have a small issue here. I don't know if you have noticed, his left ear is completely white. We don't want that. So press Ctrl Z to undo the threshold change. Press Ctrl J again to copy this layer. Go to this layer, do the same process again. This time round, we need the ear to be more of sketchy. Press OK. Done. Press W for quick selection tool and select only the left ear. Once finished, press Ctrl J. In a while, we will come back to this layer. So we do the same thing to the original layer. Go to image and adjustment, go to threshold, change the level and click OK. Done. Drag the ear layer on top of all of them. Be keen in highlighting this layer because what we are about to do next is crucial. Press Ctrl, Shift and E all together on the keyboard. We have just combined all these layers together to form a new one. Next, go to Select menu and under it click Color Range. Select the black part and change a little bit here. Press OK. The last step is to press Ctrl J and we are done. Make a new layer and add gray color. Or you just paste this code here to get this desired color. Go to the bucket tool and click on the layer. There you have it. It's all done. The only thing remaining is to export your picture in whatever format you want. Go to File, Export, then choose whichever format you like. Usually we choose PNG or JPEG. I will go for PNG, then click Export. Choose the desired location. We are done.